Going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success. This is crazy. Let's talk about Tesla. Let's talk about the stock market. Tesla recently just went from $105 stock. Well, we was predicting Tesla to crash under $100. I have got called on a few call options. Just kept on. I'm like, man, I know Tesla's gonna go up. Went down some more. I know Tesla's gonna go up. Went down some more. I leave it alone. It go down to $105. And within a month, that was January 5th or the 6th. From then to now, we had $177. $70 within 1 month. Only stock in history that can do that. Earnings went great. What's crazy is going into this year, everybody has been saying recession. Things is getting worse. It's going to go bad. The market, everything bad. This is crazy. This never happened before. Because we're getting all of this negative news. We're not getting anything positive that changed. You go to the grocery store, freaking milk is $6. Eggs is $1 million. So you like, where is the love? It's in the stock market. And it's crazy because you are scared, and investors like me, I didn't get burnt trying to do call options on Tesla, and they had it where it's like so expensive, you wasn't going to win no money doing that. So it is very, very interesting to see what's going to happen in the future moving forward. I will say, be safe, be careful, don't invest in nothing crazy, and don't go all in yet. I still do not trust it because I believe the market is going to go how it's going now once June, July, probably July-ish, middle of June. But I love it. The market keep on going up. I'm making money. You making money. We all making money. Good stuff. What's your thoughts in the comments?